Hello. All right, it's on now. All right. Thank you for everyone coming in. Welcome to Florida Data Science Social Good Big Reveal.
Tonight we're going to see 4 presentations, and these are stories of courage, stories of challenge, but also stories of commitment. And that is data scientists and community partners who've joined forces as social trustees of knowledge to really try to tackle some pressing problems that we have for our city and for our communities.
So let's start with some basic introductions. So first, Dan, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm Dan Richard. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Psychology at UNF.
And my name is Dr. Karthikeyan Umapathy. I go by Karthik. I am associate professor at School of Computing. So the Dan and I are the co-program directors for this program. The other key important people for our program are our advisory board members. Ari from Jaguars and Robert from NLP Logic are our advisors. So Ari, Robert, if you are here in the audience, please just stand up for a few minutes. So the role of the advisory board member is essentially to guide us. They are our key resource in our society. They are our sensors in the society, and they get us the resource, and they give the guidance for our program to make sure we are going in the right direction. Right. And the other key important players are our industry mentors, whom we call as Sherpas. So if there are Sherpas in the audience, please stand up. They are Naveen Agarwal from Creative Analytics, Kellen Bloomberg from Jaguars again, Candace Doran from JEA, Jay Lewis from TIA Bank, and James Falk from Ajay Thought. So the mentors really help us to make sure that we are infusing industry best practices into the project and making sure that interns are using it in the right way. They're using right tools and techniques to solve the problem. So they are our benchmark to make sure the solutions we develop are the quality solutions and they meet the professional standards of it. So thank you for them. The other key players in here are our subject matter expertise, who are the faculty leads. And you may notice that all of them are the different faculties in UNF, and they are from all the 5 different colleges that we have at UNF. And any of the faculty leads are in the audience, please stand up. And those faculty leads are Dr. Emma Upto from Mathematics Department, Dr. Beza Aslan from Mathematics Department, sorry, Dr. Emma Upto from Public Health Department, Dr. Georgette Dumont from Public Administration Department, Dr. Lakshmi Goyal from College of Business, Dr. Julie Martin from Public Health, and Dr. Amanda Pascal from College of Education, and Dr. Gordon Rathika from Department of Anthropology, and Dr. Sandeep Reddivari from School of Computing. So they essentially give us the knowledge that we need, the domain expertise that we need to really handle the complex social problems that we are handling. So again, big hands for them. So I'd also like to point out that all advisory board members, faculty leads, industry mentor, they're all working on a voluntary basis. And they all spend a lot of time with us entire the summer. They meet with us on a very regular basis throughout the 12 weeks time period to help us in it. So again, let's give it all big one more hands for all of them together. So next, the other key players without whom we won't be even standing in here for today are our interns, right? And they are all sitting in here. All of them can stand up for now for a few minutes. So first intern, Kat Bardash, she is a data science master student from Regis University, Denver. Gabrielle Kokers is Bachelor of Mathematics student at UNF. Krista Cummings is a Bachelor of Arts Anthropology student. William Guerres, William, I again didn't pronounce your last name properly, is Master's Public Administration student. Tabitha Pauls is a Psychology Science Master student. Diana Shayed, who is a statistics student. And Abiba Siddiq, she's a graduate of Computer Science from University of Illinois. And Brittany, she's a Psychology Master student. So again, give them big hands. And you guys going to be hearing a whole lot from them pretty soon. So with that, let's talk about what exactly is data science for social good. Okay?
Yes. So you can see that data science is a team sport. It takes people from multiple perspectives, multiple backgrounds to tackle these very challenging social problems. And so data science for social good was coined by Chicago in 2013. They're sort of the leaders in this area. And what happens is we identify a wicked problem for our nonprofit or governmental organizations. We gather data, formulate a plan to try to address that particular problem. We have lots of data, so we try to analyze that data using data science techniques. And then the ultimate goal is to help those organizations improve their decision process, data-driven decision-making process. And that's the goal that we have with data science for social good. Now, how did Florida data science for social good come about? About 3 years ago, Karthik, myself, and Rena Coughlin, the director of the Nonprofit Center, we all were aware of the Chicago model, and we were all like, boy, we need to do something here in Jacksonville. And so that's what we did. So we teamed up, and that's how the Florida Data Science for Social Good was birthed. And so we tried to gain those actionable insights from the data science perspective, and we try to help the public sector and nonprofit sector to make those data-driven decisions. And the way we do that, the process that we use, is we train these interns to become data scientists with a social conscience. That is, students who understand what the challenges are and are willing to use their skills to meet those challenges. So data science is tough. It's hard, like I said. It's a lot of hard work behind a computer, and also lots of meetings and conversations. But it's also fun, and we try to have fun with the students as well. So here they are getting a tour of Jaguar Stadium, and we would meet regularly for lunch and talk about philosophical aspects of data science with the students. And we tried different ethnic foods around the Jacksonville area. And thanks to Ari, we were able to get some tickets to a Jaguars game and root our team. So we work hard, but we also play hard and have a good time.